Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at different ways that you can create contributions. So I'm going to scroll down to our topics section over here and click on racism. If you look at this first note, you'll notice that we have an attachment icon. Now that attachment icon means that there is some other form of media that's attached inside of that note. It's not just text. So you'll notice when I double click on it, I've actually got a picture that's displayed in line within the body of the note. Below that, I have a link to an article, and below that, I have a link to a presentation. So it doesn't just have to be textual information, and it doesn't just have to be stuff that I've generated, but I can be linking to other sources. So I'll show you quickly how to create a note like this one. So I'll close this, and I'll create a new note. So I'll add in the title here, so I'll just call them racism note example. At the bottom, if I want the note to display inline inside the body of the note here, I'll click inline. I'll choose a file, select the picture, and you notice that I just clicked on it to highlight it, and then click open. And I can close this down once I see that it's at 100%, that it successfully uploaded the picture. Now you'll notice it's quite small, so I can click on this and grab one of the corners and drag it to the size that I want it to be. Once I'm done that, I'll just click to the right and hit the enter key to end up on a new line, and I can start describing the picture. So this is an example of an inline note, or an inline picture. Now alternatively, I could add a picture as an attachment which would not display here in the body of the note. So if I click as an attachment, go up to choose a file, and I'll just pick something random. So let's pick this star here. So once I click open, then I'll close this, and when I scroll down, I can see the attached picture as a thumbnail, so as a smaller version of itself, just here at the bottom of the note. So if I scroll down, there it is. And I can either delete this if I want to delete it, or this cloud with a downward arrow represents a download icon. So if I click that, it will download the picture. To open up the download, I can just click here in the bottom left, and it opens up that downloaded image. And to create a link, I'll just go ahead and I'll grab just the login URL to show you. So here I can, on a Windows computer, hold Control-C, or I can right-click, click on copy, and then back in this note, I'll create a new line, and then I can either do Control-V on a Windows computer, or I can right-click and paste. And here I'll hit either Enter or Space in order to underline it and turn it into a hyperlink. So there we were able to add an inline image. We were able to add an attachment at the bottom and a link. And I'll just hit Contribute. And we'll move that over. And there we go. So we'll hope to see you again in the next video.